Hello guys, welcome to Epidam Hotel in Albania, Durrës, in Adriatic Sea. You can see the balcons here. This is so interesting infrastructure. It's like the tree, like a big tree here, and you can see that the balcons are in the triangle form. And here's a car. You can see the car here. This is a big door for the persons that come here. It's like a beach hotel. It's in the east side the beach. We will see the beach also 2 minutes later. But for now I want to tell you about the bar part, the beauty, the interesting tables, and the wall motifs. There are some trees also. This is so good because the green make more open the room, open the atmosphere that is here in the hotel. And this is our tables. Well, it looks our elevator here is for staff only, and we have the good stuff here, and that make their job so good. Amis Beauty here is the sponsor. We have the upstairs here. There are very interesting upstairs. I want to try like this, and I make a photo. These are the elevators. You can see, like, this is beach. We have beach bar here. Beach bar is it's outside, but this is also a bar here for inside. This is used for winter season. We have the beach here, and there are the tables to sit, to drink something, to have a snack. And you can see you can see the sea here. There's a sea. Okay, let's go to see the toilet here. You can see the black mirror here. Toilets are so interesting also. This design is interesting because it make the room more natural, look like more natural. And you can see there are towers. This is how the water work for mats only. And it's little stuff. And let's see what is more. This is the restaurant part. You can see from glass here. Let's make a photo here. I want to make a photo because it's so beautiful. You can see the bar here also. We will go to the pool part. It's the restaurant part. You can see from the knives and the towers here. This is a pool. It's so beautiful. This Epidam Hotel in White Sensation. People are sitting here, and we have the beach here. This is the beach also. The people are taking shower here. Also a shower here, and people are playing football. Are resting at the beach at their chaises. And this is how it looked like. We have also a little thermal pool here also. and the tables go around there. This is so beautiful. Let's go to the beach part. The design is with the with the palms and different things that make it more nature, look like more nature. The water come down from a pool like that. And people are are buying some souvenirs from this side. Uh, they're playing beach balls. This is how it looks like.
Chewy, chewy.